does someone find out what their home or property is worth?
Well, Jensen, there are a couple of ways you can find out. Of course, in this day and age of computers and everything being on the internet, many people search on the internet, look for various properties within an area that they're interested in, find the values that co-ops, condos, houses are going for. There are websites such as Trulia that you can go on, and I think Trulia also has tools to give you an estimate of what certain properties should be in a certain community. That's one way. The second way is that you could ask a local real estate broker to give you a market analysis. Generally, they are happy to do that in hopes that you will list your property with them. What they will do is that they will check their databases and find out what comparable properties in your community sold for, and based upon those comparables, make a pretty good educated guess as to what you should list your property for, and maybe what you should settle, selling your property for. The final way is that you could hire an appraiser. This is a person who's licensed and is trained, and besides looking at comparables, also looks at other aspects of your property, has certain formulas that they use: square footage, types of appliances, types of number of bedrooms, heating systems, upgrades and things like that. Plugs it all into a formula and comes up with a number that they think is a fair value for your property, because that's something you pay for. Most people don't like to do that, so they would prefer probably to do the internet search or ask a local broker to give them a market analysis. Any of those three ways, pretty good idea to get an estimate as to what your property is worth. But really the final test is, what is a person willing to offer you for your property? And after you get a number of offers, that's really the true value of your property, regardless of comparables, internet searches, and appraisals.